In this question, it says a dress is regularly priced at $80, but it's on sale at 10% off. So you are saving 10%. We are trying to figure out the sale price. So it's originally, the original price is what? How much is it originally with no sale? $80. You're saving 10%. That means you're getting off, like you have to figure out what your discount is. You're gonna get 10% of, what's the sale price? I mean, what's the original price? $80, right? We have to calculate how much money are they going to take off. There's a discount. We have to figure out what is the discount. Does that make sense? You have to figure out how much you're going to save. Are you with me so far? How do you calculate percent of a number? What do I do with this 10%? What do I turn it into? 0.10. And what does of mean in math? Times 80. So I want everyone to do that right now in their calculator. What's 0.10 times 80? This will give us the discount. That's our saving. That's what you're getting off. $8, right? That doesn't answer the question though. The question said, what is the sale price? $8 is not what I'm going to pay for this dress. It was originally $80, but I'm saving $8. How would I calculate how much I'm going to pay? Nehemiah? Excellent. We would take the original price, which is $80, and then we would subtract the discount, right? You take the original price and subtract the discount. If this is my discount, I need to know how much am I saving? How much do I get off? So what is the answer? What's the sale price? $72. So do you think if you go to the cash register, the cashier will say, okay, you owe me $72, or what's going to happen? Plus tax. So that's part B. This is A. How much is tax? 13%. Right? So there's two ways you could do this. If I want to know the total price with tax, what's the shortcut? We talked about this earlier in the year. So think about it. Tax, you're going to pay an additional 13% of $72, right? This is the sale price, but I still got to pay 13% tax on top of that. So what do I do, Arsma? So 0.13. Okay, so what do you got? Times 72. So I'm paying $9.36 in tax. That's the tax. We have to always pay extra when you buy something. There's always tax, right? So I want to know the total cost of this dress. It was originally $80. It's on sale for $72, but I have to pay tax. So how do I calculate the total? We're going to take the sale price, $72, and I'm going to add the tax. All together, how much am I going to pay for this dress with tax now? $81.36. That's the final answer.